Hello, everyone. Welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next video.
If you want me to clean you, I will go and clean the place. So, but for that stadium, you must use it. Enemy, we have a covenant with you. And that covenant is being the economic hub of our state. We must continue to maintain the security level we have to see that things move on. This time around, we will discuss with anybody who will want to win for president and tell us what you will do that LMA economy will have to improve. Yes, and the youths have to be employed. Yes, sir. Because this election it has nothing to do with Rivers is this. No. This election has to do with those that will listen to Rivers people. And those that Rivers State will listen to. Not those you listen to, those who hired houses here to live. Their place is Abuja. They come when they have lost somebody in Abuja. No, listen to the original people here. And those original people are we. Don't so? Not so. We are the original people. And you must listen to us. If you don't listen to us, you will not get our vote. We will not give strangers vote. Will you give strangers vote? No way. We will not. We'll give those to those who say they will listen to us, those who want to know what LMA is facing. Of every administration, when APC was in power, LMA people, this is it's nothing like tell me. Mention one or two things you got. The only thing you got, if you say is something, ambassador to Holland. Nothing, no. Shishi. How much? You get position that will help the people, don't be so? Yes, sir. Did that position help you? No way. Did it help you? No way. But look at your leadership working with us. See what has been attracted to the people of LMA. By the time we finish those roads, you won't even be talking about East-West road. And we'll make sure that all those trailers, they will not divert here. I will tell LMA used to stay there. If you want to pass, you pay ticket. Don't be so? Not so. You pay ticket. Not so. If you don't want to pay ticket, go and repair East-West road. So, politics is all about what do I bring for my people. Yes, so the young man you are seeing has told you he started his life here. So there's no way he can talk about his life without talking about the contribution of the people of LMA. So he cannot sleep with his conscience and say that he will not make sure LMA people benefit the dividends of democracy. Denying LMA people something means denying the people something. Is that not correct? It is. So where people started their life is very, very important. So consider it that it's an LMA son that's running for governorship of United States. Some parties are wearing up now. They have shouted and shouted. Nobody's listening to them. Every day they are killing me. The other day they want to shoot me. Drama. The other day they said they would detain me. Excuses upon excuses upon excuses. We know their antics. Drama. If you like, go and commit crime. The law will take its Yes. Don't just come to here and say, they want to arrest me. If you don't commit crime, nobody will arrest you.
No way.
But if you commit crime, you will be arrested. No amount of propaganda, no amount of blackmail will save anybody. I have said it before, this election will be freest and fairest election. It is not an election where you go to the 6th division. It's not an election where you go to police headquarters to bring them to carry and snatch ballot papers. Will you work again?
No way.
Will you work again?
No way.
This election is about the people. This election is about their PVC.
Yes, sir.
And your PVC will determine what will happen in Nigeria.
Yes, sir.
And I know, you know where we are going to.
Yes, sir.
I hope you know where we are going to.
We know.
I hope you know where we are going to.
We know.
You know who are our enemies.
Yes, sir.
Don't you know?
We know them.
So, we know. And we will not go where our enemies are. Will we go to our enemies?
No way.
We will use our PVC and determine our fate.
Yes, sir.
We use our PVC and do what?
Determine our fate.
We use our PVC to do what? Pepper them. Do you understand me?
Pepper them all.
That time they will know that you have power.
Yes, sir.
You use your power and do what?
Pepper them.
Yes, so we get pepper them. Oh, yeah, pepper. It's a project pepper them. Oh, yeah. Pepper them.
So it's very, very important. And I want them, since they'll be dying silently, we will be enjoying openly. So as they pain them,
The sweet dogs.
I see the sweet us, he go depend them. I see the depend them, he go de. I say, I see the sweet us, he go depend them. I see the depend them, he go de see.
so look at the mammoth crowd. This is local government rally. When you see them doing presidential rally, they begin to dance. If this is local government rally, which they are showing on their own as presidential
Rally.
then what happens if we, the owners of PDP, when we do, look at the one we did, just one day state rally. So if we now say tomorrow we want to do state rally, 23 local governments of this number, do you know what you're talking about?
No space.
Do you know what you're talking about?
No space.
We wouldn't want any stampede.
Yes, sir.
And we wouldn't want anybody to die. God has been kind to us. This our campaign has been moving on smoothly. And we thank God, we give him the glory for that. So my dear people, I'm so happy how colorful, how gorgeous you look like. It means that you have planned this rally. LMA has always tried to intimidate my local government.
No way.
But I want to advise you, stay where God has kept you.
Yes, sir.
Stay where God has
Kept you.
Don't overstep. Don't near the lions den. Tell your leaders, why. Take it easy.
Melembe.
Allow the lion to do their own thing.
Yes, sir.
But the way you are moving, if anything happens, don't call my name. Oh. But sincerely, you have done very, very well. And I commend you, even though if I say you took first now, there will be a lot of problems. The party chairman is the party chairman, he comes from a local government. The DG comes from another local government. So if I say you took first now, they may sabotage all of our rallies. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
So let us manage them to the last rally, which is taking place in my local government. Then I will come back and say who took first.
Yes, sir.
And by that time, chairman can go, we'll finish rally. DG can go and they will finish rally. And they also say, I took first. You can go that and we'll finish rally. Thank you and God bless you.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play